Hey, dude and dudette, say what up? It's your boy, Dude Mungus. I hope you guys have been enjoying the 2025 refresh for my Suzuki GSX-R1000R, aka the Bat, code name Dark Knight. So today we're just going to jump into this episode. This is my first impressions jumping back on the bike since all the changes have been made. Let's get it.
Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Good morning, chop chop, baby.
No monkey.
Woo! Let's go! Got the Dark Knight in full effect, baby. Yes, sir. Hey, man, we had to switch from old school Batman and bring him up a little bit up to date. So we got the Bat doing bad things. Like I said, let me get this petrol, and then we gonna talk about this daggone thing. Because we done switched it up completely for 2025, baby. Had to get re-dyno tuned, so yes, the Bat is thirsty. Hold on, let me just move it back a little bit while it's up here getting this petrol. Move it back so I can get the whole look. Look at that. Woo! I can't wait till we get some color in that pipe, so you know we got to get the rolling today. Oh yeah, we're going to make sure the Bat is doing bad things. I still got to get the bike cleaned up a little bit, but I could not let today pass without riding this bike. I was way too excited. I was like, I got to jump on this bike. But we're heading to church. We're going to get some rolling video of it. And dude, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm too freaking excited. Too freaking excited. Like I said, always reset the petrol light. You never know. You know what I'm saying? I like reset my petrol light so, because when you're doing runs and stuff, like if I'm like racing, all day racing on full tank, I'll go from getting like 120, 115, 120 miles to getting, oh, Ricky moved. I'll go from getting 115, 120 miles to getting like 76, 80 miles. So I like keeping track of that. And then, you know, you never know, because everything that we do, sometimes it's a little hooligan activity. And if you get caught in a situation in the situation room, you want to know how much space you got, how much time you got, and if you even have that option to do that. Because if it's all day racing and I'm at like 76, 80 miles, I already know I'm like, it ain't even worth trying because you gonna hit that throttle and be out. So I was like, nah, I'll take this L. Monster Farons reached out to me. They seen when I dropped the bike. Such a rookie move. And I was like, look, we've had these yellow Farons for about a year. You know, I'm looking to do a refresh, and I got this damage. They was like, do you want to change them? I was like, absolutely. And they was like, okay, what idea do you have? And I was like, you know what? I never thought about that because yellow was my favorite color. So I was like, I'm just going to stick with yellow. I don't even know what else to do other than yellow. But I was like, you know what? Let me think about this. And this is what we came up with. It is so beautiful. So it might be hard to see while I'm on the bike, but it's a matte black with metallic flakes in it. And then it's also, the gloss black has metallic flake in it. It is so freaking scrum-diddly. And then of course, you know, I had to label it with the Dude Mungus. I had to do it. Can't go nowhere without the logo, boy. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna rep you harder than you. And also, man, happy anniversary to my wife. It is me and my wife's 9th anniversary. And so I ain't doing too much, nothing too crazy today. Like I said, just really the purpose is to get on the bike because I haven't ridden it with the new exhaust and a new tune. And then I have the new Farons on there. So on my way to church and on my way back from church, I'm gonna just grab some video and get some motion of this bad boy doing what it does. But I am truly excited. Shout out to Monster Farons for making such an amazing product. And another elephant in the room, and I know we're going to do a full episode on this, but this new exhaust, man, it seems like the bike has a bit more torque with this new exhaust, which I'm not for sure about how that works, but it definitely feels, I feel the pep. I feel the pep with this daggum new exhaust. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a pure sound episode on it, and we got to see what this thing talking about, man. Let's listen to this bad boy. Okay, that's it. No more. We coming with this content real soon. I'm trying to get this other stuff pumped out. Cause that idle, it seems like it has like a deeper tone at idle, but yeah, we're definitely gonna try it out. I know we're gonna make a separate episode about this. I know I already said that, but yeah, dude, this bike is crazy. This bike, the Jigsaw is loving this M4 pipe. It is loving it. And I also switched tuning softwares. I switched from Flash Tunes to a different tuning software, and shit, bro, I really don't know if that makes a difference, but a combination of everything together, B, I am liking this. I ain't even like got on the throttle like for sure yet. This is just literally just riding it. Watch this. Like it's there, bro. 6th gear, it is there. Just roll onto the throttle and it's there, bro. I don't know what he did, bro, but TaylorMade, B has gotten down at TaylorMade. Holy crap. This joint, like it just, like it just has that, you ever like had something that just had that, that bottom end just, it's solid, bro. It's like amplified or something, but light work. Light work. This is great, bro. This, B, I'm telling you, my boy, you got down, my slime. You got down. Sheesh. TaylorMade is on a different level, bro. They just, I'm telling you guys. There's nothing against anybody or any other shops, because I got friends that have other shops and stuff like that. Nothing against anybody. But I'm telling you, if you want your bike to do bad things, you need to go see TaylorMade, bro. Goodness gracious. This is just a different level, bro. Is there a hill or something? I'm just not that tall. I'm just not that tall. Let me try to use this rock or something, bro. I'm just not tall, bro. There we go, bro.